Now, thanks to 9 mobiles, we have all the major specs leaked of the upcoming OnePlus 10 Pro. The 5G level OnePlus 10 Pro is expected to support a 6.7-inch QHD Plus display with 120Hz refresh rate technology, just like its predecessor, the OnePlus 9 Pro. Now, it will also be powered by the upcoming Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 chipset, which, if you don't know, is going to be a bonkers powerful chipset. As for the memory and storage options, it will come with 8GB LPDDR5 RAM / 128GB eOS 3.1 storage option, as well as a 12GB and 256GB option. The phone will pack a massive 5000 mAh battery, but for now, we don't know about the exact fast charging speed, at least from 9 mobiles. But rumors are saying that it could come with 125W fast charging support, which will be really crazy, to be honest, even if it's not a drastically different from the 65W one. Now, the OnePlus 10 Pro will have a 48MP primary sensor, a 50MP ultra wide angle camera, and 8MP telephoto 3.3x zoom camera. And the phone will have a 32MP selfie camera inside the punch hole. And yes, at the back there will be Hasselblad branding. Now, we've seen the overall design, which may not be everyone's favorite, but it's distinctive nonetheless. Now, just like always, the real phone will look way better than the renders, but still. Now, you can see it will have a squarish camera bump, slightly curvy display, and a tiny punch hole cutout on the top left corner. And yes, the phone will also come with IP60 dust and water resistant. Yeah. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet, or your phone. jointheavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video, as I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.